What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video I wanted to do a small review on a couple of new hotel pillows that I just got in the mail. Now, the pillows that I have right now have cheap material on the inside. I got them from a certain store on Black Friday. Really cheap pillows. The stuffing on the inside started to clump together to a point where you can't spread it back out and it's not comfortable, and your neck's all cockeyed and all in different places, and it's uncomfortable and doesn't sit comfortably within my neck. So I decided to pick up a couple of pillows from the Beckham Hotel collection. Now, you tell me, 2 pillows for a queen size bed. Mine's actually a full size bed, but they look kind of small in the package. But you're telling me that 2 pillows of a queen size bed fit inside this box here? I'm just as surprised as you are. So we're gonna get into it, and I'm gonna show you what these bad boys look like and see if they're both actually in here. The only thing that I could think of is that after you take these pillows out, air fills them, kind of like those mattresses that come in all folded and slim. Once the air hits them, they start to expand and blow up. So I'm kind of hoping that's what the deal is with these ones, because I don't really want small pillows like this. If they're actually this small, I might have to send them back. Okay, so they are kind of rolled up like that. Look, see, this is how they're rolled up inside the package. These are the pillows. Alright. Now, this particular one comes with a 2-pack. Okay, so we got 2 pillows here. It says Super Plush Gel Fiber Filled Pillows for the queen size bed. Without digging into a pillow. Okay, oh wow. Oh wow. Not bad. I like it. Feels nice. The cotton on the inside feels really good. It's not like the cheap stuffed animal cotton. It feels very soft, and it expanded like I thought it would, which is nice. I was very confused on how they would fit 2 pillows in this little box, but I'm blown away. It's got a nice, I don't know if you can see that, it's got a nice striped pattern. Every other line is like a satin, shiny silk look to it. So it's a very luxurious hotel pillow. So, and it's very comfortable as well. It's 100% cotton, it says. The filling is 100% polyester gel fiber. It's a 20-inch by 28-inch pillow for a queen mattress. So here's one. I also have black silk pillowcases that can go on this, because the covers that I got are a little big for these little cheap pillows that I bought on Black Friday. So I'm glad that I went out and actually got these ones that fit the cases. I have a feeling I'm going to get much better sleep with these particular pillows. Just getting them out of the box, I know my sleep's going to be better. They feel very comfortable. Oh wow. Yeah, it just, this is crazy. Hold on. think I got a piece of cotton right here. That's what the inside is made of. Very, very soft material. It's like, I don't know how to describe it. It barely feels like it's in your hand. That's amazing. Very, very soft. Very soft. Wow. No wonder the reviews online were so great for this freaking thing. Great, great, great purchase. Now, if you are somebody that struggles with sleep, or it's hard for you to keep a certain sleep schedule, first, before moving on to major ways to change that, like taking, medications and stuff like that, try to change your sleeping habits. Maybe going to bed earlier, or changing the materials that you lay on, like your mattress or your pillows. Sometimes it could be as simple as changing your sheets. Some sheets have a different type of texture that maybe isn't right for you, per se. Some materials have like a nice cooling. Like if you're somebody that likes a cold pillow, there's certain materials that have a colder feel to them and a colder touch that might be more stimulating for you and help you calm yourself better while you're sleeping, and you won't wake up in the middle of the night. Like for me, I don't like waking up in the middle of the night being hot, or sometimes, the way that I'm sitting is uncomfortable, or laying is uncomfortable, so I have to turn. Sometimes I'm tossing and turning all night long, and it's a pain, it's very frustrating, because then you wake up in the morning for work, or, your day off, and you're just, not energized. You're very tired, and it's hard for you to, carry on after you're done with work and do other things. I've noticed the last week or so I've been kind of, real tired and not wanting to do anything after I get out of work, it sucks, because I'm a very active person. I like to constantly move and, get stuff done, And so I've looked into getting a new pillow set. I think these are going to be way better than the cheap pillows that I had before. So I would give these pillows, as of right now, definitely a 9 out of 10. The look, the feel, the comfortability, the coolness of these pillows. Again, this is the Beckham Hotel Collection, queen size. That's what you're looking at here. 20 by 28 inch. Okay. I think these are perfect size. I think that I paid maybe $50, $60 for this set of pillows. Now there are options to have different pillowcases and stuff like that added to it. But yeah, so that concludes my review. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, please smash that like button and subscribe. I really appreciate it, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.